How to block someone on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can block someone on TikTok. For that, you want to open the TikTok app on your device. Now, in order to block someone, you first of all want to find that person's account. For that, tap on the search bar. Now, you simply want to find that account. After you found it, open up their profile. Now, you want to tap on the arrow icon at the top right corner of your screen. Over here, many options will appear. You want to tap on the one that says block. Tap on that. Now, it's going to show you this pop-up where it says that account will not be able to send you messages, see your post, or find your profile. Now, if you want that, tap on the block option over here. As you can see, you have successfully blocked that account. If you want to check out all the accounts you have blocked, head over to your profile. Then you want to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Once you get here, you want to tap on the privacy option. Scroll down and tap on the blocked accounts option, and here you can find all the accounts you have blocked. If you want to unblock them, tap on the unblock option and that account will be successfully unblocked as well. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.